that brings me to our all-new B-Class. First, it looks better than ever, and its fresh and also sporty design ensures the best aerodynamics in its segment. Plus, the B-Class comes with a new interior design. Just look at the characteristic instrument panel. Goal number 2, the new B-Class makes your life easier. As a result, the new B-Class features better all-around vision, more elbow and head space, and optimized trunk usability, among many other things. In addition, this car now has an onboard coach. It analyzes the traffic situation, weather condition, and duration of travel to suggest a suitable, energizing comfort program to make you feel good. To sum it up, our new B-Class is a top player in our lineup.